Want to protect your WhatsApp chats from prying eyes? You can easily lock them. To lock a chat, simply tap on it until it's selected, then tap the three dots in the top right corner. Next, select Lock Chat and tap Continue in the pop-up window. Confirm the action either with your fingerprint or device screen pin. For example, I'll demonstrate with fingerprint confirmation. Now take a look at this part I've marked. You should see a lock icon and the text Lock Chat. This is where your locked chats are stored. If you want to hide the chat, tap on the Locked Chats text. Unlock it with your fingerprint or phone screen pin. Once the locked chat is open, tap the three dots in the top right corner, select Chat Lock Settings, then turn on Hide Lock Chat. Now look at the bottom of the screen and tap on Create Secret Code. Now's the fun part, creating your secret code. Make it memorable, but with at least 4 characters. You can use numbers, letters, symbols, emojis, or a mix of all 4. Just a heads up, the code is case sensitive, meaning capital and lowercase letters are distinct. Once you've created your code, tap Next and enter the same code again, tap Done, and voila, your secret code is set. Back at the WhatsApp home screen, you won't see the Locked Chats text anymore as it's now hidden. To access it, type in your secret code in the search bar. If you've entered the code correctly, the Locked Chats text will reappear. Simply tap it to view your locked chats. However, there's one potential snag. If a message comes in on the hidden WhatsApp, you'll still get a notification. Let me test this. I'll send a message from another phone to my hidden WhatsApp. There we go. You can see the notification pop up. If you tap it, you'll be prompted to confirm with your fingerprint or secret code. But what if you don't want any notifications for these hidden chats? Fear not, I'll show you how to disable them. But before we dive in, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Droid Tips. To mute notifications when messages arrive in your hidden WhatsApp, first open the hidden WhatsApp conversation, tap the three dots in the top right corner, then select Mute Notifications. Select Always and confirm by tapping OK. Now, any messages received in your hidden WhatsApp won't trigger a notification. Let's see, I'll send another message sent. But as you can see here, no notification. Let's check the locked and hidden chat. And there it is. As you can see, the message has arrived. If you want to reveal a hidden chat, again, first access your locked chats by entering your secret code in the search bar. Next, tap on Locked Chats. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Chat Lock Settings. Tap Secret Code. Turn off followed by Continue to confirm. To unhide a locked chat, tap on the contact name until it's selected. Three-dot menu, unlock chat, confirm with fingerprint or screen pin. Now your locked chat has been restored. You can lock it again whenever you need to. With that out of the way, I hope this tip helped. Be sure to catch more tech tips in the next Droid Tips video. Stay curious, friends.